Hey guys, Jake here. How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is something different. We are gonna fly. I am taking my first flight. You know what it is? Well guys, I just got this drone a day ago when I was in Chicago. I did order this online, and I just finally got it a day ago. And I took my first flight though yesterday. I did try practicing flying with my drone. So anyway, this is the controller right here. I'm gonna make a video about this, the unboxing, because I didn't vlog it just yet. But today I'm here at the truck stop in Sterling, Illinois, and it's there's a huge field here that I can use my drone and safely use it and land it safely. And yeah, I can use that space behind me right here. And yeah, I'm gonna take my second flight. I would say second flight because I did fly yesterday. So this is DJI Mini 2 as they called it. So I got it from Best Buy. So come on, join me and we'll see what's gonna happen. Hopefully I'm not gonna crash, because yesterday I crashed. So I've watched some videos on YouTube on how to land safely, and how to maneuver properly the drone or the controller right here. So I have my cell phone here. This is like this thing right here. It's like a antenna, like the drone itself, and the cell phone it's like, and then the controller here, the drone is getting a signal from this device here. So I'm not so good at explaining because I have no idea. This is my first time getting a drone and I'm not used to it yet, so I don't know what's whatever is the name of this, some of the, what is it, controls here. So see you in a bit. We'll see. Bye guys. Now we're gonna start turning it on, my drone. So first we're gonna turn this on. Now it's on. Next is we're gonna turn this on too. So it's the power button is right here. There you go. Now it's on. And now I'm gonna go to the app, because you have to connect to the app, guys. And I'm gonna connect it right now. It's actually connected now. So in this field here, when you are flying a drone, there are some places that has restriction zones, but here it tells me on my map that there is no restricted zone, so I'm good to fly here. So yeah, we'll leave it here for now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my landing point. Where is it?
The home point has been updated. Please check it out.
The point updated is right here. Okay. Yeah. Now let's take off. guys, I'm gonna land my drone right now. So I'm gonna click the land button here, and we'll see if my drone is gonna come back here at my current location. I think it's no, it's coming back. No, it's not coming back. Well, what I'm gonna do is okay. Now it's coming here. So, okay, hold on. So, can you see my drone? So, to land safely, I can just hold it. Now what I can do, I can just hold it like that. God, I don't know how to. There you go. Come on, don't go far away. There you go. That is emergency landing, because as I watched the video on YouTube last night, it says that when you land, you don't have to like land all the way to the, you don't have to land on the ground, you can just hold it. And it didn't work. She tried to get away from me. So that is emergency landing. So you can just like flip it like that, and then it will stop the battery. The motor is gonna stop. All right guys, that's it. here you go guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you wanna get notified for upcoming videos, just click that notification bell button there so you will be notified every time I upload a tracking videos. Anyway, just a side note before I end this vlog, I am fully aware that flying a drone or that type of electronic device, I am fully aware that there are restrictions about flying. If you are buying a new drone, make sure that you search for yourself. Make sure that you Google the restrictions are, and so that you won't get any violation. So my drone is DJI Mini 2, and the weight is 235 grams, I think. That according to the rules and regulation aircraft, according to. So before I take off, before I start flying using my drone, I did my research. I did my research or search that I want to make sure that I am fully legal to fly, or I am authorized to fly. So according to what I've discovered here, a drone or a drone like my drone, a DJI Mini 2, anything that's under 250 gram, that means that you do not have to have an authorization or a special certificate to be able to fly with that, because that is considered as directive toy. Anything more than 250 grams, that means that it's considered as that means that you have to pay for a certificate or a special certification, like accordance to what is it, accordance to, how do you call it, under the law, you know. So right here, so it says here, if your drone weighs more than 50 pounds or more, you'll need a special flight operation certificate. That if your drone weighs more than 55 pounds or more, you'll need a special flight operation certificate. My drone is only weighing 249 grams. It's not more than 55 pounds. So that means that I don't have to have a special certificate, because I'm only using my drone for recreational purposes. It's not like for commercial purposes. So, you know, I'm just letting you guys know that I know what I'm doing. I did my research to make sure before I take off or before I use my drone, I won't have any violation, you know. But there's also an option that I can also take a test online for free if you want to have a certificate number for your drones. Let's say that is called trust safety. It's only for your personal purposes though, like just in case your drone collapse, or and you were stopped by someone like a police, then it shows that you have a certification. But since your drone, like my drone is DJI Mini 2, I don't need a special certification with that. That means that it's okay. But I mean, just in case you'll be asked by police, at least you have something to show that you are not flying for commercial purposes, you know, like such as taking pictures, making videos for businesses, you know. But mine is only personal, so it's okay. Anyway guys, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.